Hello, we're in North India, Rajkot city. We've just completed the first prototype of the Prometheus100 or vaporize 100. It's a solar concentrator of roughly 4 meters on 4 meters with 9 square meters of mirror. There are 10 rows of 10 reflectors each. Each row is connected to a center beam on a pin on which it rotates. To focus the machine, we move the entire structure to be faced to the sun. Then we turn this wheel to incline our mirrors onto our boiler. Each row rotates on the central beam on a pin. You see the structure of the machine is very simple. It is all just straight steel length. No parabolic curvature of steel is involved at all. The machine rotates on its base. Each cross row is of just simple box tubing. Each reflector is attached with a simple flat steel. Each reflector is 30 centimeters on 30 centimeters, made of 9 smaller mirrors 10 centimeters upon 10 centimeters each. Here is just a cable to stabilize the machine. To make our reflectors, we start out with a piece of wood with 3 screws behind each mirror, which allows us to calibrate. We glue the first mirror, which becomes our reference mirror, and then by pointing the reference mirror at the focal point, we can guide all the other mirrors to the same focal point with the screws. Then we reinforce our primary reflector, cast a mold with plaster reinforced with chopped fiberglass. Then we simply put new mirrors face down on the mold, our connecting piece, and we glue everything together with epoxy resin reinforced with fiberglass. On the other side of the machine we have this spring which keeps the guidance cable tight, so that when we let loose the wheel on the other side, the cable pulls in this direction. All the mirrors are focused onto a boiler which has water feeded in from one pipe. It turns into steam. It travels along this pipe. It comes out here. We are at 190 psi. There's not much quantity of steam in the system, but it proves the principle that if we had many such systems, we could keep this pressure continuously. I'll just let some pressure out. So the steam can be used to drive a small steam turbine, or the heat can just be used directly for cooking or drying fruit or some other commercial application. The technology that you see here is totally open source, with the designs available on our website solarfire.org. We thank Tiny Tech Factories for hosting and building this prototype. Here we have 210 psi.